Hello everyone, in today's video we will discuss about force and work done. Force is an external agent capable of changing a body's states of rest or motion. We can define force as the push or pull on an object with mass causes it to change its velocity. The formula of force is equals to mass times acceleration. In other words, force is equals to mass multiplied by acceleration. Here we have a problem. A pitcher accelerates a baseball with a mass of 2 kg at 5 meters per second square. How much force does this take? We can easily understand this problem by this animation. A pitcher accelerates a baseball of 2 kg at 5 meters per second square. We can easily calculate force. Since force is equal to mass times acceleration, we can easily calculate force by using this formula. Here we just put the values of mass and acceleration. Mass is equal to 2 kg multiplied by 5 meters per second square. Then 2 5s are 10. Now we get force is equal to 10 kilogram meter per second square. The unit of force is kilogram meter per second square. This is also known as Newton. The unit of force is Newton or kilogram per meter per second square. I hope you understand the concept of force in physics. Now we discuss work done. The definition of work in physics reveals its relationship to energy. Whenever work is done, energy is transferred. Work is the product of the component of the force in the direction of the displacement and the magnitude of the displacement. Work is a measure of energy transfer to an object when it is moved by force. The formula of work is work done is equals to force times displacement. Here we have a problem. A person pulls a car 5 meters by a force of 100 Newton. Calculate the work done. We can understand this problem by this animation. A person pulls a car 5 meters by a force of 100 Newton. Calculate the work done. Since work done is equal to force times displacement, we can calculate work done by inserting the values of force and displacement in this formula. Work done is equal to 100 Newton multiplied by 5 meters. Now we have work done is equal to 500 joule.